You need to be in the US to write the US CPA exams. It's only about accounting. No Indian companies hire US CPAs. You know, I've heard all of them, and to be honest, I'm tired. So today I'll be busting 5 myths about US CPA so you can get a clear understanding. Myth number 1. You have to fly to the US to write the exam. False. Completely false. You can now write all 4 CPA sections in India. Prometric has test centers in major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai and Kolkata. No visa, no flight tickets, no staying in the US for weeks. You can book your slot, show up at the center and write your exam. That's it. This changed a few years ago when international testing centers expanded. But somehow this myth refuses to die. So if someone tells you you need to go to the US to give the US CPA exam, just laugh and move on. Myth number 2. CPA is just accounting. If you think CPA is only about journal entries, you haven't really seen the syllabus. Yes, there's FAR, Financial Accounting and Reporting, which focuses on how financial statements are prepared, reported and interpreted according to the accounting standards. But that's just one section. The other 3 expand far beyond accounting. Number 1. Auditing. Teach us how to identify business risks, check whether internal processes and controls are working properly, ensure ethical conduct, and confirm that companies follow rules and regulations. 2. Regulation. Covers how taxes work for individuals and businesses, explain key business laws, and emphasizes ethical responsibilities professionals must follow in practice. 3. Business analysis and reporting. Focuses on managing costs, using data to support decisions, understanding corporate finance, and applying economic concepts to drive business strategy. Therefore, CPA isn't just about accounting, it's about understanding how businesses report, control, comply, and make decisions. Myth number 3. CPA is too expensive. Let's talk numbers. Total CPA cost including exam fees, study materials, evaluation and licensing is around 3 to 4 lakhs. CA costs around 2 lakhs plus articleship years where you earn peanuts. MBA from a decent college costs around 10 to 25 lakhs. And here's the thing, CPA takes just 12 to 18 months if you are focused. CA takes 4 to 5 years minimum. MBA takes 2 years. So yes, CPA has upfront costs, but compared to the time and money spent on alternatives, it's actually one of the most efficient investments you can make. Plus, the ROI is fast. CPAs in India start at 11 to 13 LPA, and with experience, you are looking at 15 to 30 LPA plus. Myth number 4. CPA is only for people who want to leave India. Wrong. Yes, CPA opens doors abroad, but it also opens doors in India. Big 4 firms, Deloitte, PwC, EY and KPMG actively hire CPAs for audit, tax and advisory roles. MNCs like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, JP Morgan hire CPAs for finance and compliance positions. And as IFRS adoption increases and Indian companies expand globally, CPA knowledge is becoming increasingly relevant in India, not less. You don't need to leave the country to benefit from CPA, but if you ever want to, then that option exists. It's not either this or that, it's both. Myth number 5. CPA takes forever to complete. Compared to what? CA takes 4.5 to 5 years minimum. CPA takes 12 to 18 months if you are serious. Not like CA where you are stuck at a firm for peanuts. You study, you pass and you get certified. If you are working full time, yes, it takes discipline. But people do it. They balance their jobs and CPA prep every single day. So no, CPA doesn't take too much time. It takes commitment, big difference. So there you have it. 5 myths all busted. The only question left is, are you going to let the myths stop you, or are you going to take the control of your career? Now after gaining clarity over all the myths and you are inclined to pursue US CPA certification, why not to do that with the best? Other prep providers might just teach you theory, but our US CPA certification preparation program in collaboration with KPMG in India gives you industry-aligned training through real-world case studies. Exactly what employees look for in today's finance professionals. Don't wait, click the form in the description, select US CPA certification option and connect with our expert counselors for personalized guidance on your CPA journey.